Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will be discussing regarding the promotions in Accenture. Many of you are asking this question like what is fast track promotion and what is default promotion. I will try to give all those details. Please watch the video from beginning to ending. So firstly guys, let me tell you about these terms here. So after joining the company up to 2 years you will be under the Tech Expressway Academy guys. So the 2 years, the whole 2 years process will be called as Tech Expressway. So now under the Tech Expressway, so under the 2 years, you will be undergoing again these two phases here. One is Techgenics and the other is Techleap. Those who already joined the company, so they already know these terms. They might be hearing it frequently. So under Tech Expressway, Techgenics phase will be 6 months and then Techleap phase will be 18 months. So total it will be 24 months. Now let's get into the details of these terms. So firstly guys, let's see regarding the Techgenics phase, that is the 6 months phase. So you already know that before onboarding you will be having some primers learning modules. Some people might already working on these primers modules also, those people know that. So after that there will be your date of joining, and then after date of joining some people may have undergone already primers assessment also, so there will be primers assessment. And after the primers assessment you all know that there will be stream allocation, and then based on that allocated stream there will be stream training, and you need to pass the stream assessments. So you all know that there will be 3 items and you have to get 60%. So in case if you don't know all these things, I have discussed them in separate video, you can go and watch that video. I am giving the link in description. So there will be 3 attempts for clearing that exam, and if you cleared that exam then your Techgenics will be successfully completed. So if you see here, this is the Techgenics, approximately 6 months, but it totally depends on the stream that you get guys. For some people it might get completed early only, so it depends on your stream. So as I said, the next phase will be Techleap phase. So the next 18 months will be Techleap, you will be coming under Techleap. So up to now here, what are all we discussed, it will be coming under the Techgenics phase guys. It is up to 6 months. Now coming to Techleap. So as I told, it is 18 months phase guys. So it will be 18 months learning. So here learning in the sense, you will be parallelly working in your project guys. So if you got the project, you will parallelly work on your project also. So for this Techleap, after 6 months, you will be getting a mail from the team guys. Techleap team will send you a mail regarding the registration for the schools here. So total there will be 3 schools guys, school 1, school 2 and school 3. These 3 schools will be your opportunities for the fast track promotion. So let's say that you got the mail from the team for the registration of school 1. So there will be a list of courses based on your stream. So you have to choose one school from those available list of courses. So after that they will give some amount of time for learning of that school. Don't worry guys, at each and every stage you will get a detailed mail from the team, how to register and all, what are all the steps involved. So don't worry regarding all those, you will get detailed mail from the team. So after your learning you will get mail to register for the assessment. So at the end of each school there will be assessment guys. In this 18 months period itself there will be 3 schools and 3 assessments. So consider that you have completed the school 1 and you have wrote the school 1 assessment. So next you will get the mail for school 2, and then similar way you have to write the assessment for school 2, and after school 2 there will be school 3. Now let's see how are you eligible for fast track promotion based on these Techleaps. Your promotion will be depending on these guys, so that's why till now I explained all these. So now let's see regarding the fast track promotion, how you will be eligible for the fast track promotion. Guys, before I discuss further, do you also want to upgrade your career and get promoted? You can learn new skills and become job ready, or even you can upgrade your career also. So now, what if I told you that you could learn React development in 100 days? If you want to learn React development live and hands-on, Odin School is here for you with its React Web Development Bootcamp. With the help of multiple exciting projects like shopping cart apps, music player apps, etc., along with industry interaction and placement support, build a rewarding career in web development with Odin School. This is going to be a live instructor-led course with updated curriculum based on the industry requirements. There will be a live weekend classes and recorded lectures as well. So after 3 months, when the course is complete, you will get a chance to get placed with their 500 plus hiring partners. And also the job assistant goes up to 1 year with no limit on the interviews you can attend. They will provide 360-degree placement assistance. And what's more interesting is that Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages. And apart from that, you'll also have resume building sessions, sessions for your mock interviews, sessions for your behavioral skills and more. Link is in description guys. Definitely check it out if you want to upgrade your career like these Odin grads. Do check out their success stories. The course fee is 50,000, but there is a scholarship of 15,000 guys. So the effective fee is 35,000 only, which is amazing for a live course. And don't worry guys, EMI option is also available. Also do keep in mind that the scholarship is limited to 100 seats only. And the upcoming cohort starts this November 25th. So go and apply for the bootcamp now. So as you see here, at the milestone of completing 12 or 15 or 18 months in the company, you are required to complete at least one of the Techleap schools successfully to be eligible for fast track promotion. So note this point carefully here guys, you are required to complete at least one of the Techleap schools. So as I already told, there will be total 3 schools, school 1, school 2 and school 3. Out of these 3 schools, you need to successfully complete at least one school. So I told that there will be assessment at the end of each school, right? You need to pass at least one of the assessment. So then you are eligible for the fast track promotion. So assume that you have completed 12 months tenure in the company and also assume that you also pass at the school 1 assessment. So now you are eligible for the fast track promotion. So if you see here guys, you have the opportunity to get the fast track promotion just after the 1 year upon joining the company. And here guys, even after getting promoted after first school, you can register for other schools and you can learn, but fast track promotion will be only once guys. So what I meant to say here was, if you are getting promotion after the school 1 itself, you can still learn school 2 and school 3, but there will be no promotion. Fast track promotion will be only once guys. Now let's take another case. So assume that you are not qualified in school 1. So now still you have further 2 chances guys. School 2 and school 3 are there. Even though if you are not qualified in school 1, as I told, you need to complete at least one of the school guys. So that means still you have 2 more chances to get the fast track promotion. So it will be depending on you. So if you have completed the school 1 itself and you are eligible for fast track promotion within 1 year, or if you are completed in school 2, then you are eligible for promotion after the 15 months. So it will be depending on the school completion guys. So total there will be 3 opportunities. And most importantly, note this step guys. So Techleap is one of the criteria guys. So just merely completing one Techleap school doesn't give you the fast track promotion guys. So there is some other criteria also. Techleap is one of the criteria. So here you have to be months at level for minimum 12 months. So since I mentioned here not 12 or 15 or 18 months. So that means you have to complete at least 1 year in the company. And then you have to be in the project guys. 6 months of the tenure in chargeable role. And other things will also be there, your performance in the project and then project feedback, and then you have to complete some learnings like professional advancements and then industry foundations. So all these will be mentioned in the mail guys, don't worry, each and every detail will be mentioned in mail. But by completing the Techleap, you have completed the main criteria. The other thing you have to take care will be your project. So after successfully satisfying this criteria, you are eligible for the fast track promotion guys. And then once you got the promotion, there will be increase in your salary. So as usual there will be hikes and then there will be bonus. I'll discuss them all in separate video. Now we assume that you have failed all the 3 schools in the Techleap. So what about your promotion? So for that people there will be default promotion guys. You might have already heard it. Some of the people are asking regarding this default promotion also. So I'm explaining both in the same video. After 2 years you will get this default promotion, but coming to the fast track promotion, you have the opportunity after the 1 year itself. Coming to this default promotion, so if you have successfully completed 22 months in the company, so you will be promoted by default guys. Here no assessments are there, no passing criteria will be there, so you will be promoted automatically in the next promotion cycle. you will be promoted to the next level, guys. So it was same in fast track promotion also you will be promoted to the next level. Here also you will be promoted to the next level, but here you will be promoted much faster if you cleared through these Techleap schools. And here, as I told, it will be taking some time. And regarding the hikes, what will be the yearly hikes and what will be the hike percentage if you get promotion, and how much bonus will be given to you. So regarding all these details, I'll make a separate video, guys. This is all about the fast track promotion and default promotion, guys. In case if you have any queries, do join our Telegram group, guys. You can ask your queries in that group. I am giving the links in description. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Do subscribe our channel for all the latest updates.